Hey guys, it's Isabel. So today I have another vegan bag review video. So you guys know I'm all about my vegan leather. Probably my number one, my favorite vegan leather handbag fashion company is Angela Roy. Now Angela Roy is the maker of my bag, my everyday purse. This purse, probably one of the best purses I've ever had, and I got this over a year ago and it's still in great condition. This is the Share Tote in light gray, and it's pretty much almost always sold out. It's literally that great of a bag. So I love this bag so much, and I'm happy to say that Angela Roy sent me another purse to review for you guys, and I chose the one in black. Da-da-da! This is the Angela Roy Eloise Satchel. Now this satchel is in black, it comes in olive and in burgundy. Look how beautiful this is. It is the same craftsmanship as my Share Tote, so I know it's going to last a long time. Now I was really excited when the Eloise came out because it's the perfect size. I love the Share Tote, but it's not my favorite purse when I want to go out somewhere and I want to carry stuff light and I just want the essentials. And I feel like a lot of the purses that are just kind of like these crossover purses that are good for like going out or just for like a small purses, I feel like they do not fit a lot of things in them. Like if you go out, you know, you want to take your lipsticks, you want to take your makeup to touch up. I feel like a lot of the small purses that they make, wallets and things like that, they never fit everything you want. But look at how it's like an accordion kind of design. So it has 3 compartments plus like a little zipper compartment in here. I'm just astonished by the size of it because when I saw it online, I thought it was going to be much smaller and much thinner, and it's a lot bigger and it's not super bulky. You can see that the accordion folds allows it to kind of be smaller and fit smaller, but if you want to fit a lot of things in it, you can do that. All of Angela Roy's bags are cruelty-free. They're 100% vegan, they're handmade, and they are just these gorgeous designer bags. And you guys, we pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for bags made of animal skin. They're bad for the planet. These bags, it looks like leather. It feels like leather. You don't know how many people give me compliments on this purse all the time. This purse, and I know this purse is just gonna be so pretty. And I love black because black is gonna go with everything. This purse comes with a short strap, like a handbag strap, and this long strap, which I prefer because I don't like to carry handbags around so much. Here's the short strap, just so you guys can get an idea of what it's like, just in case you're more of a handbag kind of person. One of my favorite things about Angela Roy's bags are their clasps. They're not just like regular hooks, they actually kind of create a circle, so they're super secure and they don't just snap off like a lot of other bags will. You just clamp it on there and you have a little handbag. Isn't that so pretty? That's one of my favorite things about it, because sometimes you don't want to be just wearing like a crisscross satchel. You want to have like an actual little handbag, and just looks so chic and pretty. And I love how it stands upright like this. I think that's so helpful, and it just makes it so easy to take anywhere. You can put it on the table. It's small, it's not super bulky. So that's what I really love about this bag. I can see myself just switching between the long strap and the short strap for sure. And the long strap is also adjustable. So just to show you guys, I am going to fill up this bag with my essentials. I'm going out or traveling, or I just need all my essentials to fit in here. So I'm going to be putting makeup and credit cards and little things that I need. Okay, so first things first, my phone, which I think the best place for my phone will be this front pocket here. Right in there, and it fits nice and snug. So I think that's actually a really good place for my phone, and it fits my 8 Plus right in there. So, but you know what? I'm just gonna toss these sunglasses in here. So I'm gonna put these in the back pocket just in case. And then of course this red lipstick. Well, it's the lip liner I have on, and I don't have any other lipstick on, so this is basically all I have. So to retouch, this is the NYX matte lip liner in Cherry Skies. I'm gonna put that in the middle pocket. Definitely my mascara and my eyelash curlers, because I always touch up on that. I always love these Beauty For Real light up lip glosses and stuff because they have a mirror on them and they light up. So I always like to carry these around with me. So I'm gonna take this one and toss it in that middle compartment too. Oh, let's not forget, my wallet is not going to fit in there. This wallet's also vegan. It's by a brand called Luca Chiara. I've had it for a long time. My wallet's not gonna fit in there, but you can take like your credit cards and your ID and all that stuff and fit it in. So in this back zipper, which is really cute because it's nice and inconspicuous, so you can hide things back there. Just in case, I mean, I don't have any right now with me. If I had a tampon, this is a little bigger than a tampon, but I would probably take this with me too. This is the Beauty For Real, I think it's a cheek stain and highlight in one, so I'm just fitting that right in there. Look how snug everything is. And then this is a vegan perfume. This is Secret Genius by Penrose. So I'm gonna just toss that right in the middle section too. And concealer. So I'm gonna take my little concealer pot and toss it in there. Just in case I travel. Headphones. So I'll just toss that in the back where my sunglasses are. A pen, you always need a pen. I'll toss that in the back pocket. Just in case I'm traveling, my passport. So I'll just put that in the Actually, I put that in the same slot as my phone, so it's in this front slot here. And just in case, we always want to take our phone charger with us everywhere, so I'm just gonna roll them up and toss them in the back section. Just toss this in here, my Angelite crystal, which I always travel with, and I think that is it. So all of that fit in this little purse, and it's still keeping its shape. It's still looking gorgeous, and it's not super bulky. So I'm in love with this purse. I'm really excited. I might even ditch my shared tote just for a little bit because it looks like this can fit a lot inside. I highly recommend the Eloise Satchel, and if you're in the market for a cute handbag, check out the link below to get your own, or if you want to buy it as a gift, maybe for Valentine's Day or just for a birthday. I think this purse is so beautiful. It looks so elegant. I just love how beautiful these bags are. The shared tote is always going to be one of my favorites, but this one is definitely super gorgeous. So if you guys want to see my whole review on the shared tote, I did it about a year ago when I first got it, so I'll link it down below so you can go and see which one you like. But honestly, the quality of these bags is amazing. This is probably going to be my new travel bag. Like, instead of having a backpack or instead of having like a larger bag with me, I'm going to take this one because it honestly fits a lot of stuff in here. So yeah. So I hope you guys get one of these bags and we can be matching and twinning and supporting great vegan brands that have great quality and great craftsmanship. All of these are handmade, and I just love how it came in. It comes in this really pretty cloth bag. It says Angela Roy on the front. It's also special and just so detailed and beautiful. So if you guys want to see more vegan handbag reviews or just more vegan stuff, please be sure to give me a thumbs up or leave your comments down below. Even if you're not vegan, please try out this brand. Please get one of these purses. They are so beautiful, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Designer and gorgeous without the cruelty, without just the pain and suffering that leather companies tend to do to animals. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me. And guess what, guys? I have a new uploading schedule. I've never had an uploading schedule before, so this is a big deal for me. But I'm going to be uploading videos every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All links are down below, and if you want to get your own purse, the link is down below too. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.